Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your VK account. For that, firstly you'll need to open up your VK app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the sign in option which is at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the what icon which is on your right hand side of your password bar. Now, enter your email address or your phone number that is linked to your account. Be sure to enter your country code if you are entering your phone number. After you are done, tap on Next. To verify you are a human and not a robot, you'll need to enter image text and then tap on Send. Enter your last name as shown on your profile, then tap on Next. VK will now show your profile. If it's yours, tap on This is my account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you have signed in to your account on any other devices. If yes, tap on Yes. If not, tap on No. Then tap on Continue. Now tap on Call Me. Now enter the last 4 digits of the number that called you. After that, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password has at least 6 characters and contains number, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. When you are done, tap on Send, which is at the bottom of your screen. Your password has now been updated. This way you can recover your VK account if you have forgotten your password. Now you can continue to order food, book taxis, discover music and podcasts, make group calls and more. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, don't forget to leave a comment.